What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and today is the very last day of 2019. Tomorrow is January 1st of 2020. We're about to embark upon a brand new decade, and in this past year of 2019, I've learned a couple lessons, about 5 different lessons, guys, that I want to share with you guys today that I feel that is really going to help you build your affiliate marketing business for 2020 and beyond. These are 5 different tips that you guys can employ in your business that will absolutely help you make more money with your affiliate marketing business. So that's what I want to share today in this video. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to be talking about, again, the 5 lessons that I've learned in 2019 that I feel that's going to help you succeed in 2020 and beyond. So number 1, let's go ahead and jump right in, guys. You should never trust one traffic source. So I know that a lot of the gurus tell you that you should pick one particular traffic source and stick to it. But over the years, I found out that that is just not good advice. Obviously, especially if you're just using social media as your platform to build your online business, because social media largely is not really predicated upon you. It's predicated upon the people that own the systems, who own YouTube and Twitter and Instagram. And a lot of the things that happen on these different platforms from year to year, you don't have any control over. So just using social media by itself, I don't feel is a safe idea long term. Obviously, you definitely want to use that, but I feel like you should always be employing some sort of paid traffic strategy in your business, as well as free traffic strategy. So doing YouTube and doing Instagram and doing Twitter and Facebook and blogging, all of that stuff is fine. But I also feel like you need to have a paid traffic component in your business to be able to grow and scale and have more control over, how much you can actually earn. So never trust just one traffic source. Try to narrow it down to 2 or 3 different traffic sources that you can actually perfect in your online business. So number 2 is you want to brand yourself. And branding yourself is going to equal credibility, right? So essentially, as you are growing your online business, you want to go ahead and start building yourself up. You want to start branding yourself. So how do you do that, right? So you start a blog, you start delivering content, you start a YouTube channel, you need to get on video. This is how you actually brand yourself. When you think about all the big gurus that are on YouTube or just within your niche, these people have done a good job by doing what? They branded themselves. You've seen them on videos, you've seen them do trainings, you've seen them maybe speak in person. And when these people are in front of your face 24/7, it builds up this credibility. So when that guru or that affiliate is selling you something or they're recommending something to you, you're more apt to go ahead and purchase it from that person, because why? They built up some trust with you, they built up some credibility with you, and that's all through branding. So with affiliate marketing and online business these days, you can't really hide behind the camera anymore. I mean, you can to a certain extent, but you're only going to have limited success when you do that. So you have to get out of your comfort zone and start to brand yourself little bit by little bit. I know that some of you guys are afraid of that, but it's just something that just needs to be done if you really want to grow your business and make a substantial amount of income. So let's go on to number 3. And what you want to do is you want to add value. So this is going to be majorly important in 2020. Is adding value. So when you think about like where we've been in the past and how affiliate marketing and online business has changed so much here now and where it's going to go in the future, you have to be adding more value. It can't just be sell. You have to be adding some value. And the best way to add value, again, is I think through video marketing. So again, guys, I know that some of you guys don't want to hear about that. Some of you guys don't want to hear the word video come out of my mouth, or you don't want to do video and you're just so against video. But it is 2020, guys. It is 2020. And what do you have to lose? What do you have to lose? If you're failing now in your online business and you're not making any money, you don't have anything to lose by trying to get on video and trying to give some value. And I'll tell you what, Everybody resonates with somebody. It doesn't matter if you're shy, if you're an introvert, if you're an extrovert, if you are quiet, if you don't speak well, if you feel like you don't look a certain way to be on camera. It doesn't really matter. What really matters is if you're actually giving some value and people see like the true genuineness through the screen. Like some people will connect with you regardless of what you look like or what your camera equipment looks like or what your audio sounds like. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It just has to be genuine, and it has to be real, and it has to be valuable. And you can do this, like anybody can do this with their cell phone or with any type of camera. It's so easy now to start creating videos and just giving value. It doesn't have to be super long videos. It can be short little snippets, 2, 3, 4 minutes. You get on crank camera and you give some value and you get off. And you'll see how you'll start building up your audience, building that trust, building that credibility, and that's going to turn into definite sales. So number 4 is you want to connect with your leads. Now, this is something that, is important because a lot of times as affiliate marketers, we are always trained to, just collect the leads and then sell to our leads over and over again. And people they're just not down with that anymore, right? They're more hip to that, and they're just not down with just being sold to via email like that. What they want is a personal connection. So how do you actually connect with your leads? Well, you can do that through like Facebook Messenger. You can do that through email. That's probably one of my favorite things to do. You can even do that through like doing Skype. So essentially what I mean, guys, is as you are building your list and you're generating leads, connect with them, like actually have one-on-one conversations with them through some of these mediums. It could be through Facebook Messenger, through email. And if they connect with you, because a lot of times people just have a hard time with trust. They may like a program that you are recommending and it may sound interesting to them, or there may be a product that you may be recommending, but some person may just need to have a question answered or just have a little reassurance that whatever you're trying to sell them or whatever you're recommending them, it's going to be good for them. So connecting with people will by far drastically help your sales conversions, guys. I can't tell you how many times that I've just received an email after I've sent out a promotion or I'm promoting like a system or something like that, and I received an email and it may be like 1 or 2 simple questions, and then that person just signs up. And it's just, again, having that connection, having that reassurance that you're promoting something that's going to be real and that's something that you're standing behind. So connecting is something that you must do in 2020 and beyond. So the last thing I wanted to say is just follow one marketing system. So what happens is with new affiliate marketers, when they first start out, they usually have that shiny object syndrome where they're moving from system to system and product to product because everything looks good, and the guru is telling them that they're going to make money with this, and this other person is telling you you're going to make money with that, and it all sounds good. And you're looking at these sales pages and you're looking at the fancy cars and the fancy houses. But what I want to implore to you guys, if you're just starting out or if you're been in the game for a while and you haven't made consistent income, what I want to implore to you is to kind of follow one system. Pick a good system that will kind of walk you through A to Z in terms of building your business. Like step 1, what is affiliate marketing, and breaking all that down, and then really understanding all the different components of sales funnel and conversion tactics and traffic and just email marketing and everything that goes into affiliate marketing. One complete system, because a lot of systems aren't complete. They're really not all built to make it complete for you. They're kind of made you to get a little bits and pieces here, and then to get all the information you typically have to spend a lot more money. But there's definitely programs out there. There is systems out there that really teach you the whole spectrum, A to Z. And I actually leave you guys some free training. It won't cost you anything. In the link in the description in this video, you guys can sign up and get some training with this program that I'm going to leave here. And it's absolutely free. There's no charge to it at all. So those are my 5 tips, guys, for 2019. These are tips that you can definitely deploy in your business in 2020. I hope you guys, take these tips to heart and you focus in on these 5 things, because I truly believe if you focus in on these 5 things that I've talked about today in this video, that there's no reason why you can't be very successful in 2020. And I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Be safe, and happy new year. 2020 is around the corner. We're going to be doing a lot of things here. We're going to be really building together our online businesses, and I can't wait to share more with you guys in 2020 and just be able to connect with you guys. So this is John from johnmcneil.com signing out on my last video of 2019, guys. We will see you in 2020.